Yeah. Morning, everyone. Today is day 2. And coming up for some morning. Today is day 2 and it's Sunday. Look at the pool. Coming up for a swim today. Look at the kids. Hi. Hi, sir. Come to talk. Yeah, come. So we've got Boaza, Wesley, Oriani, Ovita, and my Mike. So just can you tell your parents how's it going so far, like the experience?
I'm gonna live there.
Very good. I love it. It's just hot. That's all. Everything's good.
Beautiful country. Beautiful people.
Any feedback on the soul with the mu'u yesterday?
Great.
Better than New Zealand souls. That's all I can say. It's better than New Zealand.
Food was
nice.
Performance was nice. Answers were nice. Everything.
We'll see you next year.
So today's our rest day. Sunday's our rest day. And I said to the kids, they're not allowed to swim unless I'm here at the pool. I said to them, I'll be up at 8 o'clock and I will sit at the pool just so that they can swim. If you have a look, it's such a nice area. We're at St. Therese and Le'auwa'a. Javier, say hi to your parents.
Hi, parents.
Yeah. And Mike Mati J la. Hello, Michael Makwa. Yeah. Freak. Go, Blackie, go.
Oh, wait. Wait. Wow. Look at tricky.
Hello.
It's now 10. Miracle just woke up. We've done so much already in the morning and he just woke up. Let's go and explore some people's rooms. Robbie, Tay, and Dominic. We're gonna go and explore their room. Let's go. So this is their room. Sir actually wants things like this. So
yeah, we actually got a good room. Got a good shower.
okay.
Shower actually works.
We actually have table and chairs.
Good community.
Yeah. Got a closet.
Most importantly, up to us.
Up the walls. You heard it here first. You heard to Miracle's room. So Miracle, you can take us through our tour guide. Let's go.
Pretty messy, yeah. Wet as well.
That's not my room.
So this is their room.
This guy.
At least it's cold here.
Oh my god.
Okay. I guess that's.
Boring.
I want to go to the next room.
Let's go to our next room. Vicky Palma Ma'auji. So give us a tour guide now.
Oh, take this. So, this is the room right here. Nothing much. It's just like every other room. Yeah, it's all over. There you go. Oh, the coconut.
Oh, is this where you're holding on the coconut?
And this is where we're gonna. This is where LJ's food is. Right there. It was eating on the bed.
Wait, are you allowed to drink these?
And this is LJ. LJ, say hi. And this is the one and only, aka Don BC Boy. Don't know me, you don't know me now. Yep. And this is Miracle. He's eating a coconut and he looks like a coconut.
This one.
Yep. Now we're gonna get hit at the night market. Night market? Oh, we're gonna get hit in Falaloa. to another room. Let's get it. So this is Josh's room.
Wait, it's being cleaned up.
Can you guys say hi to the camera? So,
Welcome to Samoa, day 2.
Pretty hot here.
So right now we are currently just waiting. There's a singer going on. Hold up, I'll just turn it around. Oh, wait. How do you zoom? Oi, that's the singer. Eh? Yeah. So this is the singer that's happening.
Gonna
Give my
get the
phone. Probably get some food, some snacks for the stay, and yeah, that's it.
Longa ma wheka laina le kako asu. Ai o la ngā se leo ona o ako ia au leo leo le whakakupu ma le whakamali. Le lofa ma le anga le lei. Whanga fua iai lau ngā whanga ai mā ngaro lau leo. Ka leo si sili whame la sunga i le kai kai malanga ma le kwa ia whai aonga. Si sili mai ngā fua i ma kua ma le mamalu o la mua o papakoi koe. Le pa ia le whai mamalanga. E o ngā kōlanga whālupe, o ke kaukare whākupu ma le whākamali. Le fula ma le mamala o lea o pēo le malu. O le asinga le nei o le whainga malanga. Wa maa au iai sunga ia tālia. Ma le paia lia a inga li. Ke kauara mai lia li I o havea. O le au whana inga aku. Wa ia pusa aiskolimi. Wa ia ma teke. Wa ia ma ese wa le kale o longa. Ma le kalinga o le sua. Pa whikai le keu, pa whikai whanoano. Getting ready to go to town.
And there are lost our keys.
Yeah, we lost our key. Kasi lingano wenga, man. So as you can see, everyone's getting ready to leave. And here we are trying to look for the key. We just finished our singer with Bowers, Mars family.
Thank you, Cosma, for that.
Up to. Huh?
what do you do, dog? So, where are we?
We're in Nelva, St. Therese.
Yeah, we're there in St. Therese.
Welcome back.
Just say your name and your
And your occupation?
occupation.
Occupation? Yeah. Maro le soifu o maro ingo hawheo? My occupation?
Student. Hello, Swafa.
Hello, sport. Hello, no. Kavika kato. And my occupation. Going on the occupation.
Stop it. Get some help.
Question for today: how has your Malanga been so far?
My Malologa has been going. I've already got some up and down, up and down. Some ups and downs already. Upside down. But you know, doing great. We're having fun. Okay, what about you? How's your trip going so far?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good to be back home.
Talofa. Talofa. Maya
Pwede upo, wala lang upo. What do you say? Josh.
So,
Practicing your language and all these things. That's right. That's exactly what the direction is.
Is it facing you or facing me?
Okay, we're at the, where are we guys? We're at the warehouse. Where even are we? Where are we actually? What is this? Oh, it's the ATM. We're going shopping. It's day 2. Oh my gosh, let's buy cereal.
$21. Oh my god.
these are like
No! Get this price right here.
Remember this 32 Tala? What's that? That's still like $25
New Zealand.
Welcome to Samoa. Samoa.
Uncle Johnny.
I found like one of the real things that I find a real honour is to be with you when you come back home. And some of you have not been here before. I know some of you hadn't flown for a long time, you know, so to be part of that experience with you has been a real honour and a real privilege. And for me, so far, well, there's so many highlights already. We're only in our first full day here, but yeah, the Arva ceremony yesterday was just such a cool experience. Seeing you guys there in the village performing with you, and you know the haka, and there's all already so many highlights from the trip. It's a real honour and a privilege. I knew it would be, but it feels like a real honour and a privilege to share this experience with you. Half the time.
Take me to the islands, I wanna go there. Take me to the islands, Take me to the islands, gotta get out of here. Take me to the islands,
It's dinner time, everyone. It's time for dinner. We're having dinner. Check out our food. Moa, oia, okano, oulu. and our packed dinner. Alright, enjoy your dinner, everyone. Yeah, everyone's having a feed now. And Hengi did a really good pura singer today. Yes, and Miss Griffiths, Mr. Williams, yeah, Tofaya Saloma, Miss Nicholas, yeah.
Welcome to Samoa.
Look at our beautiful Samoan food. Yes. Yeah, everyone's having a good time. Yeah, Roma, Vita. Hey, Mum John. Elisa Pita. Yeah. Asona, she's enjoying her dinner.
I'm excited to have ulu.
Sulu Oto. They said, hi, Hamadi, or what I Kelly. I think it's your auntie. Your mum. Yeah, say hi to mum then.
So she doesn't know?
Yeah. Yeah, it's Sasa Sulu. Vita, mum's on. He has been a pain since we arrived. Look at him.